back to another edition of Ow! Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. And we are doing breakfast edition style, and we are doing one of my all-time favorite breakfasts. It is dirty corned beef hash. I know what you're saying right now. Did he hold a can of corned beef hash? Yes, it's one of my all-time favorites. Whether I go to a diner, whether it's freshly made or right here, but this and this is absolutely amazing. You're gonna absolutely love it. All right, let's go over the ingredients here. We have the corned beef hash. We have the Tabasco. You can use any kind of hot sauce that you want. I absolutely love cooking with Tabasco. You can use any one of the Todd's Dirt seasonings. If you want to keep it more on the milder side, use the original. I love it with the Bayou Dirt, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna use the regular onions, black pepper. This recipe is in the Let's Get Dirty cookbook on page 24. And then we got some cooking spray, so let's get started. Let's spray the pan. Get the pan nice and hot. Let's throw the corned beef hash. Oh yeah, look at that. And then we are gonna take about a half an onion, and I diced it up pretty well. We are going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon, forget the teaspoon, let's do a tablespoon of the Bayou Dirt, because we're making it Dirt Man style. And then 4 drops of Tabasco, 1, 2, 3, 4, and mix it up. It is that simple. All right, after mixing it up, you're just going to let it sit for about 6 minutes or so. Let it crust up really well. That's the way I like to do it. And then we're gonna mix it up again, let it cook another few more minutes, probably about a total of 10 minutes cooking time. And then it's gonna be amazing. And then I wanna pair up a fried egg with it, and it's gonna be oh so good. All right, now let's just mix this up a little bit. See that nice little crust we got on here? I just like it better that way. You do not have to do it that way. So I got the pan pretty hot. And then another 2 more minutes and we should be good. Oh yeah, I can't wait to try this now. Oh yeah, I put a fried egg, got the corned beef hash right here. Let's mix this up a little bit. I'm telling you, this is absolutely amazing. This combination right here is, This is comfort food for the Dirt Man. Oh, I love it. That and little Dirty Bloody Mary works really well. So you're gonna absolutely love it. Give it a try. And remember, this whole breakfast edition, you can try Todd's Dirt on anything for breakfast, and you're absolutely gonna love it. Well, not cereal, I don't think that's actually gonna work, but pretty much everything else. So remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.